Hello students, welcome back to our e-class of St. Joseph's Academy, class 1, subject Mathematics, and the topic we are going to study today is Understanding 100 to 100 exercise part. Students, in our previous class or the class yesterday's class, we already studied the topic Understanding 100 to 200. Today, we will be solving the course book exercises or the exercises which I gave you as the activity part. We will be doing it today in our class. I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher, will be guiding you for exercise part today. Let us start with the revision part. So, I hope you all are aware of 100 to 200 counting, or I must say 100 or countings up to 200. आप लोगों को 200 तक की काउंटिंग अब तक आ चुकी है. So, we will be discussing, तो अब हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आगे की काउंटिंग्स, द काउंटिंग्स अहेड और द एक्सरसाइजेस बेस्ड ऑन काउंटिंग्स अप टू 200. या फिर हम आज एक एक्सरसाइज कवर करने वाले हैं जो कि बेस्ड है 200 तक की काउंटिंग तक. कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, इसमें आज हम सीखने वाले हैं. सो रिवीजन of yesterday's class is the abacus part. I gave you this as your worksheet or the activity to do it in your mathematics copies. I asked you to draw it in your copies and solve it. So here is the answers for your activity part. The dots which are in red color are the answers for the number which are written under the abacus. Like in second column, you can see 156 is written. So how we will be demonstrating it over abacus? मतलब जो 156 यहाँ पे लिखा है उसको हम abacus पे कैसे बनाते हैं ये हम समझेंगे. So the red dot in the first line is for hundreds. पहली लाइन में जो रेड डॉट सिर्फ एक है वो हंड्रेड्स की लाइन है. सेकेंड लाइन वेयर 5 डॉट्स आर कलर्ड, दूसरी लाइन जहाँ 5 डॉट्स कवर हो रखी हैं दैट इज फॉर टेंस, वो टेंस की लाइन है. The third line, the rightmost column, third line जो सबसे right hand side पे है that is for ones, वो ones के लिए है. In which we have colored 6 dots, जिसमें कि हमने 6 dots cover करी हैं. Because क्योंकि the number is, जो number है हमारा वो है 156. जो नंबर हमारा है वो है 156. Students, always remember that in this we are covering ones, tens and 100. So always ones column is on the right side. Then beside ones we will be having tens, beside tens we will be having hundreds. Students, हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा कि ये 100, टेंस और वंस के कॉलम होते हैं. एबिकस में सबसे राइट हैंड साइड पे वंस होता है जो कि हम एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी लिखते हैं. फिर होता है टेंस जो कि बीच वाली लाइन हो गई और वंस के बराबर वाली. फिर आता है हंड्रेड्स जो कि टेंस के बराबर में होती है. हम राइट से शुरू करते हुए लेफ्ट के टुवर्ड्स जाते हैं. I hope this is clear to you now. Also 134, 201. Let us discuss 201. How we will be demonstrating 201 on abacus. So students, we will be starting from ones. वन से देखना अगर हम स्टार्ट करें, so ones प्लेस पे लिखा है 1. So we will be coloring only one dot. एबेकस में हमेशा नीचे से ड्रॉ करना स्टार्ट किया जाता है. We will always start drawing from the bottom in abacus. Then on tens part it is written 0. So 0 means कोई भी नंबर नहीं है, वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. That's why, इसलिए हमने टेंस के कॉलम में कुछ भी कलर नहीं किया है. That's why we have not colored any dot or any number counter in tens column. Then comes the hundreds part. On hundreds place it is written 2. Hundreds place पे लिखा है 2. So we will be coloring 2 dots on hundreds place. इसलिए हमने 2 dots को कवर किया है, कलर किया है hundreds place पे, बिकॉज उस पे लिखा है 2. सो जितने नंबर जिस प्लेस पे लिखे हैं उतने डॉट्स आपको कलर करनी होती है एबेकस में. एंड नो नीड टू ऑलवेज कलर इट, यू कैन शेड इट विद द पेंसिल ऑल्सो. आप उसे सिर्फ शेड करके भी छोड़ सकते हैं. इट इज़ जस्ट टू हाईलाइट दैट दीज आर द डॉट्स. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज focus on one thing, which is always start from bottom in abacus. हमेशा abacus में नीचे से स्टार्ट किया जाता है, आप ऊपर से कलर नहीं कर सकते. If you want to shade, if you want to color, you have to start from the bottom only. अगर आपको शेडिंग करनी है या कलर करनी है, आपको नीचे से ही स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. Please keep this in mind. Okay, then moving next to our exercise part, which is our today's class. We will be discussing certain page numbers and the exercise related to 100 to 200. I will be guiding you for that. Let's move to hundreds column. This whole box is of 100. We are having 100 box in this. Coming to tens line, these are the tens line. Students, you can see the laser. These are the tens line. So whichever the line is this, we are having 2 line and each line is having 10 each box. So this will represent tens, 20. This will represent 100. This will represent whatever the number of line is. Here it is 20. Then this is the ones column. It is represented by the number of boxes only, as it is for ones. So here we can count 1, 2, 3 and 4 box. So the number are 4 ones. Here you can see 4 ones. 2 tens because 2 lines are there in the 10 side. 100 because this whole block represent 100. 100 plus 2 tens plus 4 ones sums up to 124. If we will write it in the long form, we will write it as 100 plus 20. Why 100 with 0? Because 100 is with double 0 only. 2 tens means 2 0 20. 4 ones means 4 as it is, the single number 4. It will become 124. It will become 124. So students, you can see 124 was very easy to calculate with the help of blocks and the columns given. We will be solving the exercise now. coming to question number 2, we have one whole block of 100. So that means 100, 3 lines of tens, that means 3 tens. Then let's count the number in the ones, the box in the ones part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6. So 6 ones. We will write it as 100 plus 30 plus 6, which will come out as 136. Coming to next question, question number 3. We have one whole block of 100. So we will write 1 in 100, 100. So we are not having any blocks or any rows in tens place. So we will write 0 at the tens place. 0 at tens place because we are having no number, no rows in tens place. Let's count for ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 on ones place. So 7 ones. It becomes 100 plus 0 tens because there is no row in the tens place plus 7 ones. And we will write it as 100 plus 0 0 because it is a 0 place plus 7. The answer will be 1 from 100, 0 from tens and 7 from ones. 107, which we will call it as 107. 107. Similarly, I request you to please do question number 4, 5, 6 and 7 by yourself so that you may get to know what is the answer and what is the way of calculating. If you face any problem, I will be dictating and discussing it again. 3 times, 2 times, 4 times, I will be discussing it again and again until you understand it very properly. Let's come to the 99. On page number 99, we are using abacus, which we have done yesterday and today in the revision section. Coming to question number 1, we have 1 bead in 100, 3 beads in tens, 5 beads in ones, which will come out as 135. And you will also write down the number name below it. It is same as the previous exercise. In this, with the help of abacus, we will be doing it. In that, we were doing it with the help of blocks. Here again you can see 100 में एक बीड आ गई है, दैट मीन्स 100. टेंस में कोई भी नहीं है तो हमने यहाँ टेंस की जगह 0 लिखा है. वंस में 6 है, यू कैन काउंट देम ऑल्सो, तो हमने 6 लिखा है. तो ये मिला करके क्या बन गया, 100 का 1 लिया, टेंस का जो नंबर है यहाँ पे वो लिया, यहाँ पे अभी 0 है तो 0, 6 में वंस है तो हमने 6 लिया, 106, and we will write it as 106. Please do write the number name correctly. We will be discussing the number names also up to 200. Coming to question number 3. In one side we have 3. So 3 beads in ones, 3 ones. 1 bead in tens means 10. 1 10. 1 bead in 100, that means 100. When we will write it in short form, we will write it as 1 from 100, 1 from tens and 3 from ones. The number becomes 113. 113. Students, we write 100 only. 100 and add हुआ है. आप जैसे पहले नंबर नेम्स लिखते थे 13, 14, 15, ऐसे ही लिखना है. उसके आगे बस 100 एंड ऐड होता जाएगा. जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखिए 136, तो 36 ऐसे लिखा है और 100 एंड ऐड कर दिया है. The number names for up to 200 are the same as the number names for up to 100. We just have to add 100. I hope you will be completing this exercise also, because this is very easy to do it by yourself, and I want you to do it by yourself, because after that only I will be able to understand that what is bothering you or where you are stuck. So please try to do it by yourself. I have given the answer. Do not copy. Please do it by yourself. This was your homework also. So do it and please show it to me in the next class by sending me the pictures or via webcam. We will be discussing, and whatever the problem you are facing, please do let me know. I am telling you again and again. We will be discussing the problems anytime and anywhere. Let's move to the next, which is your home assignment. So you have to revise short form and long form. So you people feel very bad when you are getting the homework, the more and more homework. So I am precisely reducing your homework, and now this is your homework. You have to revise short form and long form from previous pages. We have done short forms and long forms. On page number 48 in your course book you can find it. I have also mentioned it here. On page number 48 is your short form and long form. Revise them. How we used to do them. What was the purpose? When you will revise, why ma'am is saying to revise? Because next topic will be our short form and long form. When you will revise short form and long form for up to 100, it will be very easy for you to do it up to 200. Although we will be starting it from fresh. We will be starting it from the beginning, but then also it will be easy for you also. We have discussed exercise today. Please cross check the answers. You can do it later and cross check them anytime by reversing the video and skipping the pages we have already done. You can directly jump onto the page you want to cross check. All the work is to be done in course book only. आपको सारा काम अपनी बुक में ही करना है, कॉपी में कुछ भी करने को नहीं है. हमने आज एक्सरसाइज डिस्कस करी है. आप अपने आंसर्स उसमें से क्रॉस चेक कर सकते हो. वीडियो को स्किप करके भी आप सिर्फ आंसर्स देख सकते हैं करने के बाद. देन आपको शॉर्ट फॉर्म और लॉन्ग फॉर्म रिवाइज करना है बुक में से ही, पहले जो हम कर चुके हैं हाफ ईयरली से भी पहले. इट इज़ ऑन पेज नंबर 48. आप पेज नंबर 48 खोलेंगे, वहाँ पे आपको ये मिल जाएंगे. ये हम क्यों रिवाइज कर रहे हैं? इसलिए क्योंकि हमारी अगली क्लास में हम लोग लॉन्ग फॉर्म और शॉर्ट फॉर्म करने वाले हैं, जो कि 100 से ऊपर के नंबर के लिए होगा. अगर आप रिवाइज कर लेंगे तो आपके लिए आसानी होगी समझने में, जबकि हम शुरू से ही उसे करेंगे फ्रॉम 100 और 1, हम वहाँ से ही शुरू करेंगे, पर फिर भी आप रिवाइज कर लेंगे तो आपके लिए इजी होगा. ऑलराइट स्टूडेंट्स, thank you so much for listening to me very patiently, and thank you for supporting us in our classes, online classes. Have a nice day and stay safe.